Yes.
May I, Your Honor? Your Lordship. I'm mentioning one criminal petition which may be kindly listed tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Your Honor, I beg to mention item number 14, proceed. Earlier, yesterday it was listed for the documentation, but due to some medical difficulties of my senior counsel, so for that he couldn't appear there yesterday. For that, I'm filing this IA for adjournment, Lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged, Lordship. Much obliged.
May I, my lordship? We gave you the concern and have no objections
Which one?
about this matter. Item number 14.
Okay, we'll take up. We'll take up. Okay. Let the matter be called for. Okay.
Item number 1.
Lordship, I'm for the petitioner in this anticipatory bail application under 482 of the BNSS. In connection with Doimuk case number 46 of 2026, under section 61(2), 3184 and 35 of the BNS. Your Lordship, if I may, the prosecution story revealed from the FIR is that on the 6th of April, an unknown person called the complainant and offered to sell gold. Accordingly, she went to Gumto Gate and met two persons. After a brief discussion, she paid a sum of rupees 10 lakhs for the gold. However, when she went to the goldsmith with the gold, she discovered that the gold was fake. As the persons were unknown, she found out their details from the vehicle number, which was used by them. Thereafter, the case was registered against the applicant and Shri Roshid Ali. Your Lordship, in page number...
Who is notice?
Your Lordship, I would like just to point out that the mandatory paragraph that has to be there, you know.
It's not there.
It's not there.
Oh. Where is the paragraph where you have stated that there is no criminal antecedent?
Lordship, in page 16 of the FIR.
No criminal antecedent. It's there.
Your Lordship, the FIR itself, there she has written that she has tracked them down through the registered car number. She has tracked them down through the registered car number. However, the car number is registered to another third person individual and the car is already out on Zinma. It is there in page number.
No, excuse me. We just have
That paragraph is there.
Notification dated 2nd of December 2025. That paragraph is not there. Any application, what a high court and ethics court, it is mandatory. This looks good. Amend your petition and file it tomorrow. Additional activity.
Lordship,
Yes.
page 5, Your Lordship.
Page 5. What is that? What is that?
Para 6, Your Lordship. There's a delay of 14 days in the FIR, Your Lordship.
Okay. So
Whether the complaint
notice can be issued.
So
Yes,
the
meanwhile, he can amend this. That paragraph is not there, Your Lordship. It mandates, Your Lordship.
The para. What is para 16? Page 10.
No, in the application, Your Lordship. Para 16 is
Page-
the JIMMA applications order, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Para 6 is the Zimma application.
Okay. Not in this present
Not in
petition.
the applicant.
I thought it's
application.
in this
However, Your
petition.
Lordship, in page
No, you have to, I think.
page 6, page 5, para 6, they have mentioned that she has tracked the individuals through the registered car number.
No. So that is in the fact of the case. Now, where is the statement? This statement which you have shown in para 16 in the present petition. This is, see, as per the notification.
Is the FIR of the complaint.
This is Jimma application,
Page 16. Your Lordship.
page 16, page 10. Para 16 is in Jima application.
No, para 16, it just states that the applicant has no criminal antecedent except Doimuk case number so and so.
Yes.
Huh.
But then it does not reflect, if I may read your lordship, the
Huh.
notification, the paragraph that ought to be there.
Hmm.
In every application for bail presented to the court, the petitioner shall state whether similar application has or has not been made to the Supreme Court. And if made, shall state the result thereof. The petitioner shall also mention whether she was involved in any other criminal. or
17?
not.
17 is there, your lord.
Para
Oh,
17.
yes, yes,
It is there, your lord.
yes. I did.
So now notice can be issued.
Notice can be issued.
Okay. Hard, Mr.
PT Guru, your lord.
Mm-hmm.
So, your lordship, it is my prayer that an interim may be granted to my.
Learning counsel for the petitioner. Also had Miss Cheney. Learned additional PP for the state. By filing this application under section 482 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, the petitioner is seeking pre-arrest bail, apprehending his arrest in connection with Doimuk PS case number 46/2026 under section 61 to 318(4), 3 within bracket 5 of the BNS, Bharatiya Nagrik Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Start. Miss Paraha, Miss Jeannie, additional PP, seek some time to produce case diary. Stop. The prayer is allowed. Issue notice.
Your lordship, my humble
Mm,
prayer is that CDR and the CCTV
Since-
footage may be called for.
Miss Jeannie accept notice for the state. No formal notice need be issued. Stop. Call for the scanned copy of the case diary. Stop. Para. List this matter. When?
On 29th.
Which PS case? Doimuk 29.
29th, your lordship.
29. Okay. Stop. Para. In the meantime, it is
Lordship,
provided that in the
CDR
event of
report and the CCTV footage may be called.
the arrest of the accused applicant, he shall be released on interim anticipatory bail on execution of a bail bond of rupees. It is, what do you say in the, what did you say in para 6? What was that?
No, your lordship, para 6. That the complainant has lied about the applicant that he was tracked through his vehicle registered number, your lordship.
Hmm?
The registered vehicle number through which he was tracked, it belonged to some third party, your lordship. It is not his vehicle.
Used by you.
No, your lordship. Our submission is that we were not present at the situation. The
Okay,
place of offense, we were not present.
then it will be difficult then.
Once your lordship, the CDR may be
other-
called, your lordship.
Otherwise also that part has been dealt while rejecting the bail at page number 21, your lordship. Para 5. The last page, your lord. Para 5,
Page 17.
21.
What is that?
The submission being made that with regard to the vehicle,
It is
usage
the
of the
order
vehicle.
the learned session court.
CCTV footage
yes,
found that the accused petitioner, namely so and so. Who are you otherwise?
is
Same.
Uncle Rahul Amit. Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
Came to deliver the fake gold. It is you only. On execution of a bail bond. What is the amount he has taken?
10 lakhs. Your Honor.
Okay. Execution of bail bond of rupees 1 lakh. 1 lakh with two surety of like amount. One of which shall be the resident of the state of Arunachal Pradesh, resident of the state of Arunachal Pradesh to the satisfaction of the arresting authority staff. with the subject to the further condition. That subject to the condition that number one, all those that the accused that the applicant shall appear before the eye of the case within 10 days from. No. Since we are fixing on 29, then he will be directed to appear within 7 days.
Lordship can, because otherwise it seems that his address seems to be
Sir.
just in Lakhimpur, Your Lordship. He can come within a period of 3 days also.
Okay, we'll say within 7 days from today and cooperate with the investigation of the case. Stop. Next, that
Your Lordship,
shall
otherwise
not-
5 days, because today is 22, Your Lordship.
okay, we'll say 7 days.
7 days is, 7 days comes to 30th of July. Your
Hmm.
Lordship.
No.
7
30.
days falls on 30, Your Lordship.
Okay, 30.
So within 5 days otherwise.
Okay, within 5 days, he can come,
Yes.
isn't it? Okay, 5 days, make it 5 days. Then he shall not hamper or tamper with the evidence of the case in any manner. Oh. List this matter again on 29.
9th.
Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
This one.
Item number 2.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, this is a criminal petition for setting as for quashing of the FIR number 6 of 24 filed before the ALO PS, ALO Women PS, Lordship. The charges as under section 77 BNS read with section 67 of the IT Act. The petitioner number 1 is the complainant of this FIR. The FIR has been annexed on page number 27 as annexure 1. Lordship. Page number 27. The written FIR is on page number 29. Just the FIR. And this FIR has been culminated into a charge sheet, and the file is pending before the Sessions Judge Alo, West Young District.
Yes,
Yes,
we'll call for the record.
Lordship.
Ms. Jenny?
Let's-
Okay.
The last order that they have annexed before before this honorable court, Your Lordship will find at page number 46, Your Lordship.
43, 6.
Yes,
46.
46, Your Lordship.
What is this?
In fact, they had made a submission before the trial court stating that the parties are is trying to settle the matter outside of the court, and therefore the matter has been fixed on 23rd of 7, 2026, Your Lordship.
Okay, so
So I'm
Settlement has been arrived, Lordship.
what is the punishment for this 77,
For 7.
67?
1 year.
Okay, then what do you say? You have no objection?
I don't have any objection
Okay,
otherwise.
then we can dispose of.
Dispose of this matter.
Okay, just a minute. Where is your prayer?
Prayer is on page number, Lordship, 12. Page number 12 to 13.
Okay, cognizance also. Okay. Hard, mister. Your good name, please.
Itaingi, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also hard, Miss Jeannie. Learned additional PP for the state staff. Kara. Who are these? How many persons?
6. Petitioner number 1 is
Okay.
complainant, and the other 5 are the accused persons.
Okay. this application under section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 has been filed by the informants and the accused persons praying for setting aside and quashing of the women PS case, women police PS case. Hello, what is this? Hello, women PS case number 06/2025 under section 77 BNS 2023, read with section 67 of IT Act 2000. And what happened? Charge framed?
Charge is not yet framed. But conditions is
Okay.
taken.
Then right, GR case, GR case number. Where have you mentioned the GR case?
Yeah, case number 32/25, but this has been transmitted to Sessions Court, Arno. So the number has been renumbered as Sessions case number 1/26.
It's before the session court.
Yes.
Okay. Session within bracket Alo case number 01/2026 arising out of the same, Alo women PS case number so and so. Those things, like that. Pending before. Okay. Before, pending before the court of the session court Alo. Stop. The petitioner number 1 is the informant. And the petitioner number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 are the accused persons in the aforesaid session case number 1, 2026 arising out of Alo women PS case number 06/2025. Staff, para. The case leading to the filing of this criminal petition is that based on the written FIR lodged by the petitioner number 1 against the accused petitioner number 2 to 6, alleging that the accused had spread the video footage of her without her consent, and also threatened her family to ruin her life. The aforesaid Alo women PS case was registered and stopped upon completion of investigation. The police has submitted charge sheet against 5 accused persons, namely Pankaj Mishra, Srimati Manju Karbak, Srimati Dobam Karbak, Srimati Kende Karbak, and Srimati Bomrik Karbak. Petitioner number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for offense punishable under section 77 BNS read with section 67 of ITX 2000. Start. Okay. Thereafter, there is a settlement. When it was done?
Lordship, settlement was
Settlement
done
has-
15 June. 15 June.
Okay.
It's given on page number 48. page
Okay.
46.
Okay, we have less time. Rest will dictate. Just a minute. Settlement page.
Page 48.
48 it was.
All the names are there.
Yes.
Lordship.
Just a minute. Okay. What is the terms of settlement?
The settlement,
It's an uphold.
the accused persons have agreed to compensate the sum of rupees 2 lakhs to the complainant.
Compensated.
Yes.
Okay.
And also because all the other accused persons are relatives to the complainant, therefore they have arrived into the settlement.
It was a fine. Okay. Okay, rest I'll complete.
Also.
Thank you.
Item number 3,
Obliged.
Okay. Yes.
My lord, this is a joint petition filed by the petitioner for seeking quashing of the missing report dated 14/1/2020, my lord. My lord, the case is originated from a missing report, my lord.
Missing report.
Yes, may I take my lord to the missing report, my lord? At
Yes.
page number 24, my lord.
10
May,
years.
may I read, my lord? I have the honor to inform you that my son, Sri so and so, Sri so and so, and Sri so and so, namely 10 years of Karsang near RW Colony, Karsang, has been missing since 11/1/2020. They were last seen while playing near a culvert at RWD Colony, Karsang. We have made our best effort to trace the boys, but till that, no information of their whereabouts could be found. My lord, this is the missing report, my lord. On the
Then?
basis of this missing report, the investigation was started. And during the course of investigation, my lord, the children were recovered and handed over to the parents, my lord. Now, my lord, the fact of the case is that, my lord, the petitioners are neighbors, and they known each other for several years, my lord. On 11, what happened, my lord? On 11/1/2020, my lord, the petitioner number 3, who is the accused, my lord, in the present case, my lord, has requested the three children to assist him to push a scooty at garage, my lord. So the 3 boys assisted the petitioner number 3 and leave the scooty at the garage, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the children went to their respective homes, my lord. After that, my lord, the petitioner or the children went with the petitioner number 3 to his native village for sightseeing, my lord. My lord, thereafter, my lord, after the children were recovered and
When they were recovered?
they were recovered on 18, my lord, 18/1/2020.
Okay, missing on 14.
14, my lord.
So where they were, you said?
My lord, they were at Daporija, my lord. With this, because they were known to each other and well acquainted. Therefore, the children went with the petitioner voluntarily to his native village, my lord. After the recovery, my lord, after the recovery of the children, my lord, the petition number 1 and 2, without knowing the facts, true facts, my lord, they have filed a missing report. After knowing the true facts, my lord, they file an intimation letter, my lord, to the police, to the police official, my lord, stating that the children were never kidnapped nor taken by anyone. They have voluntarily accompanied the petitioner number 3 to his native place for sightseeing, my lord. My lord, the intimation letter is at page number 25, my lord. May I read, my lord? At page number 25, my lord, the missing report.
Mm.
We beg to inform you that our sons, namely so and so,
Okay, then what happened thereafter?
thereafter, my lord, the charges, this very important,
After this intimation also,
yes, this very important
investigation
was
carried
not,
out.
yes, not considered by the IO, my lord. And the investigation was carried out and filed charges, my lord.
Okay,
So now the case is pending before the CGM and charges has been framed, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the parties have
on what
settled.
basis it was filed, a charge sheet was filed? What is the statement of the informant and the victim? Have you annexed?
Yes, my lord, 161 is annexed, my lord.
Where is that? Informant. Where is the statement of the informant?
My lord, at page number 35, my lord. May I read, my lord? On being interrogated by police, I do hereby state that on 11/1/2020, my two sons, namely Sunil so and so, who reside in our colony, were found missing from
Okay,
their
where is the
apartment.
statement of the children?
Children. At page number 43, my lord. Page number 43. May I read, ma'am? On being interrogated by police, I do hereby state on Saturday, so and so at around 8 hours, one person whom we call Adi Uncle and who reside near our house and also run a shop adjacent to his house, call us near his house and asked 3 of us to help him pushing his scooty up to a garage situated at housing Tinali, Karsang. And accordingly, I, along with so and so, help him pushing his scooty up to the garage at housing Tinali. After the 3 of us returned back to our houses on foot. After reaching there, we were playing nearby the house. In the meantime, the person again came on his car near us and asked us to go with him to see the scooty at the garage. Accordingly, 3 of us boarded his car and left the place, but that person did not stop the car at the garage. And instead, he took all of us directly towards Mahadevpur. After reaching Mahadevpur, Balinong Tinali, he first took us at a hotel situated nearby and ordered some food for us. After having food, we moved towards Karsang, and after moving some distance, the person got a phone call again, and again we turned back, and the person told us that we will go to bridge for sightseeing, which was situated nearby. After reaching the bridge, he again told us that we will go to see a mandir, and accordingly we moved again and went to the mandir. After reaching mandir, we waited for 10 to 15 minutes, and in the meantime, one vehicle along with 3 persons came at the spot, and we were moved into their car, and we left Namsai at around midnight. We arrived at Itanagar. After reaching Itanagar, one of the person rang somebody, and after some time, a vehicle arrived at place with one male and a female. After that, we were again moved into that car and were taken to a house, and we stayed there for 2 days and 2 nights. After that, Sumit and Dhruv were taken to unknown location, and I was kept at the house. On Monday, 14/1/2020, the lady took me with her to her relative's house, and from there at 15 hours, I managed to sneak out from the house while the lady was busy inside. And while I was
Yes, Mr. Ete.
Yes, my lord, since they have settled the matter, my lord. So at this stage, my humble prayer would be, my lord, may call for the record and till that, my lord, further proceeding may be said. Because since they have settled, if the parents are there.
It appears settled, but then
And
seems some attempt.
yes, my lord. So record may be required.
Let us see the record.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Heard Mr.
M. Ratan, ma'am.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Ete, learned additional PP for the state staff para. This is an application file. This application under 528 of the BNSS has been filed by the, who is the informant here?
My lord, petition number 1, my lord.
And 2 and 3 are,
File 1 and 2 are complainant and 3 is the accused. my lord.
okay. The informant and the accused praying for quashing of the GR case number 08-2020 in arising out of KSG, Kharsang PS case number 02-2020 under section 363 IPC. Pending before which court you said?
CGM, my lord.
Chief Judicial Magistrate
Changlang.
Changlang. Staff of Para. Issue notice. Since Mr. Ete, learned additional PP accepted notice on behalf of the state respondent, no formal notice is required to be issued. Staff call for the trial court record. Scan copy of the trial court record. Staff of Para. This test matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yes, ma'am.
Staff.
My
In the
lord, I
meantime,
prayed for interim, my lord.
In the meantime, it is provided that the proceeding of the GR case number 08-2020 pending before the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate shall remain stayed till the next date of listing. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Matter number 4.
Yes.
Was respect to, criminal proceeding pending before the learned Christian magistrate custom outside. Parents, there's the obligation of my lord taking loan of rupees 7 lakhs and then has not been paid. The parents pay, an extra 1 page shooting.
Hmm.
That whole agreement, I spoke in this case between this, the borrower is either make a part and hence he approached the lender to buy
Hmm.
loan of rupees 5.
Mhm.
I must say one-
How it became criminal? When it turned into criminal? What happened thereafter?
Then they are after the money is then
What is the allegation?
allegation is that my lord, I have not returned the money.
Okay. So
That's only a.
you have implicated the respondent?
Yeah.
Okay. Will issue notice? Heard Mr. Deori. SK Deori, Line Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Elhage, Line additional PP for the state. Respondent, staff para. This is an application filed under section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. Praying for setting a quashing of the GR case number 34/2025 arising out of NAMSAI PS case number 15/2025 under section 318 within bracket 3 of BNS 2023 pending before the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class NAMSAI. Staff of Para. Issue notice. Call for the scanned copy of the trial court record. Staff, since Ms. Elhage, an additional PP has accepted notice on behalf of the state respondent, no formal notice is required to be sent to the said respondent. Staff Para. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by a speed post as well as by usual process within 3 days from today. Staff Para. List this matter after 3 weeks. Staff Para. In the meantime, having regards to the contention met and the submission, the contention and the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, comma, it is provided that the further proceeding of the GR case number so and so, 34/2025 pending before the learned court of judicial magistrate first class Namsa shall remain state till the next date of listing. Okay.
Item number 5.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, I am for the appellant. And I've been just informed that the Mr. T.A.T., the PP is not in other court. So it will be possible for some time.
Time being,
Yes.
okay.
Item number 6.
Yes. The code was called for. Who appeared for the state? Yeah. Hmm? Mr. Loy. So whether Mr. Loy is present today? Hmm? Whether record received?
Lordship. Record is there. No.
Okay. Mr. Learned counsel for the petitioner, the trial court record is still awaited in view of the above. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. Okay, issue reminder. The issue reminder. The registry shall issue reminder for the trial court record. Stop para. The list is matter after 2 weeks. The interim order pass alia shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Item number 7.
Your Lordship, on last occasion, TCR was called. Your Lordship.
Okay. Yes. What is this matter about?
Quashing petition, Your Lordship.
What is the progress? What is the offense involved? 98. What is the
Lordship.
stage of trial?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
It is in evidence stage, Your Lordship.
How many evidence has been recorded so far? How many witnesses have been examined?
Your Lordship, page 24, total witnesses is 11, Your Lordship.
Total witness 11. And
Yes.
how many have been examined so far?
Lordship, trial record has arrived, Lordship.
Just a minute. not sent, it appears. Do you know how many have been examined?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay, whose case is this then? Do you know?
Lordship, it's a record, Lordship.
Okay. It will take 2 days. Present.
Otherwise, also this is a marital issue, Lordship.
At least those basic information you should have.
Yes, Lord.
The land counsel for the petitioner, the stage of this trial. Although it appears that nothing on record
Yes.
regarding the recording of the deposition. But then it appears that the witnesses appeared, not examined, it appears. Hmm. Due to absence of the PP. These are the basic the information you should actually sort for from your client. You are appearing blindly. Are you in the this case or appearing on behalf of some other person?
No, Your Lordship.
Your case.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. But that is a basic information. You thought that only there is an agreement, it will be set aside and quash. At least some cooperation, some you have to assist properly to the court. You just go through and we'll get it listed tomorrow.
Yes, Lordship.
So just go through and see if any witnesses have been examined. Okay, if no witness examined, no problem. 1, 2, no problem. Okay, it appears there is some more witnesses. So then, so that we at least record the proper information regarding the trial court.
Yes.
Okay. So when tomorrow, day after tomorrow,
Tomorrow also, Lordship, no problem, Lordship.
tomorrow.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Please prayed for by the land counsel for the petitioner. List this matter again tomorrow. Okay. This is item
Alright.
7. Oh,
Lordship, 7. Lordship.
Hmm.
Item number 5, passover matter.
Item
5, my lord.
5.
Appeal,
Yes.
man.
Lordship, may I? But if this appeal is against the judgment in order dated 15/5/2026.
Hmm. This is
Appeal, criminal appeal, yes.
appeal.
Yes, sir. This is criminal appeal against the judgment in order dated 15/5/2026. It has been passed by the Special Judge POCSO, East Coming District. And sentence order 22/05/2026. Now, so, in this case, Your Lordship, I was convicted under section 376 2F of IPC.
Hmm.
I was convicted under section 376 2 of IPC.
Convicted for offense under section.
376 2.
Okay. 2F.
Yes, Your Lordship. And
Number 8,
This item 7. Okay. No, 5. Okay. Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, TCR was called last occasion.
Yes. What is this matter about?
Quashing petition, Your Worship.
Okay,
Joint petition.
offense,
Offense is
Theft from dwelling house. 305A.
is equivalent to 379.
305
my lord, A.
plus A. Your Lordship.
Clause A, my lord.
Hmm.
305 clause A, my lord, it's a theft in a dwelling house or mean for transportation or place of worship, etc.
Okay,
Whoever commit theft in any building, tent or vessel used as a human dwelling or used for custody of property.
Mhm.
Cognizable, non-bailable, trial by magistrate, punishment for 7 years and is non-compoundable.
Okay, whatever. Thereafter, charge sheet file.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Trial comments, my lord.
Trial comments.
Yes.
How many witnesses have been examined till date? 11,000.
My
The
lord, one and PW 1 and 2 were cross-examined, my lord. On 9/3/26, pre-prosecution witness 1 and 2 were their exam chief has been recorded and they were accordingly cross-examined and discharged.
okay. So what was this? The stolen property? Was it recovered and handed over? Given on Jimma? Returned to the owner?
Yes, my lord, from the mall they have stolen, my lord.
It's from mall. So,
Mall, my lord, the Quick Shop Express Mall, my lord.
okay.
Departmental store, my lord.
It's a contested? No.
Sorry, my lord.
It's a joint petition.
Yes, my lord, joint petition, my lord.
Okay, then. There is an agreement also.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. What was the last order passed by the magistrate? Page 30.
Page 30, Your Lordship.
Examination of prosecution witness, my lord, Yakenta
Hmm.
and Pinkira. And the further proceeding was stayed by this honorable court, my lord.
Okay. So after, okay. So you have any objection?
No, my lord.
Okay, we'll pass order then in that case.
Yes, ma'am.
Had Mr.
P. Wangpan, Your Lordship.
Learning counsel for the petitioner, also had Mr. Piete. Learning additional PP for the state. Okay. Which one is the informant and which one is the accused?
Petitioner
Just a minute,
is the
huh?
informant, Your
Just a
Lordship.
minute, huh? The present petition has been filed under section 528 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS 2023. Jointly, the present petition, under section. Present petition under section 528 of the BNSS 2023 has been jointly filed by the accused. Petitioner number 1 is
Accused, Your Lordship.
accused.
Yes, sir.
Accused and the informant. Praying for quashing and setting aside of GR case number 8775/2024 arising out of Itanagar PS case number 145/2024 under section registered under section 305A of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 pending before the court of learned Chief Judicial Magistrate UPA Staff Para. The petitioner number 1. What is his name?
Jum Tali. Your Lordship.
Jum Tali. Mr. Sri Jum Tali is the accused and the petitioner number 2, Sri Rahul Das is the informant in the aforesaid GR case number so and so arising out of so and so PS case. Okay. Where have you annexed a FIR? Copy of the fountain,
Page 14, Your Lordship.
page 14.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Read the, read page 14. Entire complaint. I haven't stopped
Sir, I raised
on about any colony. Hmm? Can be stopped, so. This is FIR. Content of the complaint is at 16. Where is the charge sheet? Have you
from page 17, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
Page 17, from page 17.
17? Where is the relevant portion? Okay. Charge also filed in the 6. Okay. Hmm. Charge framed.
Trial comments, charge frame, madam.
Okay, under,
305A only, madam.
same, under, okay.
Yes, madam.
And then the other is 19, 93, 2, 25, 26, 19.
Sheet, madam, they have not annexed it. There in the record, by passing in the record.
Excuse me. 9. Okay. While forwarding the record, okay, it is there, it is there. What is the terms of agreement? Compensated or what?
No, Your Lordship. It was made on humanitarian ground.
Hmm?
No compensation was made, Your Lordship.
It was a theft, clear case of theft, no compensation.
Yes, Your Lordship. Only on humanitarian ground they have.
Humanitarian ground.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The accused is illiterate.
No, Your Lordship.
Or what? Okay. We'll dispose of, okay? Okay. This is item 8.
Item number 9.
Okay. 2, huh? To be dictated. Okay.
PCR was called for.
Hmm?
Trial
Trial court record, call for.
This is a joint petition filed by the accused is the husband and informant victim is the wife.
Joint petition. Wife and husband.
Yes. It's very big case to be terminated aside one.
Why?
That's probably Lakshmi Narayan case, your lordship knows. That the paragraph 15.1. The dispute arising out of matrimonial or family dispute, which will be for.
Okay.
I have also some similar judgment of this honorable court earlier. Then also one case of husband was 498A was there. The honorable court was pleased to set it up.
Okay. Mr. You have any objection?
Your Lordship, on the last occasion has called for the record only to ascertain it as to at what stage the case is pending, Your Lordship.
Okay. So-
I've checked the case record, Your Lordship.
Mhm.
It's not clear as to because the case was committed to the court, endorsed to the court of JMFC UPIA in the year 2022,
2020?
Your Lordship. And then there is an order of 2025 which then transferred the matter to a named JMFC's court, Your Lordship. But then during the pendency of that, from 2022 to 2025, there is no record of the proceeding, Your Lordship, as per the
Okay.
record.
There was no stay that.
There is nothing as to in the record, Your Lordship.
Mhm.
But there is also a reflection of the
But
order,
this is the record sent by the trial court.
trial court, Your Lordship. It does not contain the entire order sheet, Your Lordship, and therefore I'm not able to ascertain it.
Why are they sending the record? The latest record should be actually sent. 25 is your case record put up. 12, 25 is there.
And prior to that, Your Lordship will see there is an order of 2022.
22 order is there.
Yes, from there to 2025, if Your Lordship
Okay,
will
there
see,
is nothing.
nothing is, even in the order of 2025, there is a reflection of another order, which is also not part of the record.
Okay, after that, it was forwarded to the another court.
Yes.
Then thereafter no record.
No
Why?
record, Your Lordship.
Which court has sent this? Yeah, I mean, Judicial Magistrate UPIA.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why half record should be sent?
Otherwise, on the last occasion, Your Lordship, there was a observation being made, Your Lordship, that since the charge sheet was already filed in the year 2021, therefore to ascertain the stage of the trial. Your
Record doesn't say anything.
Yes.
What to do?
Yes. Otherwise, the Lordship can make a direction for sending the record from the year between the order of 14/9/2022 as well as the recent orders. Your Lordship. Otherwise, learned counsel could have also, if they were following the matter.
You are also supposed to have the copy of all those records.
Yes, TPC we have got. That is the order on last on 14/9/2022. It was
No. After that,
for Lanet TCM. Then Lanet TCM UPIA has.
no, see, thereafter 18/12, after that 14/9/2022, then straight away jump to 18/12/2025, where it says case record put up and sent to, forwarded to another court only. No records in between.
Was in the name of the court of TPC.
But then it was and it was then thereafter endorsed to
Endorse the letter to the Lanet MHC UPIA.
That is what I'm saying. So after that or in between, there is nothing, no record, whether charge framed or not. So in order to pass order, we need to know whether charge framed Now, it is your lordship is pending before the larger NS court. Charge framed? No, yes. They have entered, but no someone will. It is pending before the largest NSC court, your lordship. Now they are in the three new NSC. No, so, I think you need to bring on record the last order if there is any. Hmm? We need to know. Have the last order. See, now, after forwarding it before the judicial magistrate's first class designated one, then must have registered the different case number it will have. So no point crossing the earlier GR case number. Now the judicial magistrate's first class must have registered and it will have bear a different GR number. Isn't it? Because the last order is that it was forwarded. And thereafter, that court must have received and must have registered. Number 177 of 2020. Not possible at all. Yes, okay. 14/9/2022. Number 177, 2020. And again in but it will have its own serial number. The judicial magistrate's first class will have in their own serial number or what? No.
In fact, as per the presiding officers, as per the JMFC of the presiding officers, your lordship, in the year 2022, the matter was endorsed to JMFC UPR. One of the JMFC UPR took the matter, and subsequently in the year 2025, he then forwarded this particular case to another JMFC. Now, this for the forwarding from 2022 to 2025, if the trial had commenced, is not in the record, your lordship. And from 2025 to 2026 till date, what is the status of the case is also not, could not be ascertained from the record, your lordship. Now, if your lordship.
So that is why this case was again forwarded. It was endorsed to the JMFC. Then it was again forwarded to another JMFC, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes.
So that record we need.
In between those reports are not.
In between also, but then if we can find out the latest one.
Yes, at least.
See, case record, where it is pending, you need to know. Blindly, we cannot just set aside and cross. You have a good case, but then find out the proper case number in which court it is pending. Okay? If you can place it tomorrow, we'll dispose of, otherwise you have a good case. You want that case pending before the earlier court should be set aside. And what will happen to the present in the present court? Pending 12/2025 that was before the largest JMFC, domestic violence, maintenance. That is why. So there that we have to mention in which court it is pending. How do we know? You have to. No. You collect. See. Whatever the latest court. See, this is and because of you only, because you said that it is pending. It was pending before the JMFC. UPR. We call for the record, but now the record says that it is not before the JMFC UPR. It is before the another magistrate for trial. See, don't come half-heartedly, huh?
Now.
Don't throw entire responsibility to the court. Court find out whatever is, and then just only you want only or one word will be sufficient for you. That quash and set aside the case, and then you'll make out. You'll convince the court. No, you make a research and collect everything, every document, and then give the court the correct information in which court it is pending, what is the stage, what is the case number, etc. Everything will not do any, not pass any order. This order should also not have been passed. stay order should also. Because this is wrong order, because we have passed order for the another court, whereas it was already sent 2025 before the judicial magistrate first class, INA.
Praying for that order. You can give now 40 tenancy one, which is order passed in 2020. Earlier of 2022 was.
Oh. Yeah, how do you know? Must have issued, may have issued, someone may have issued warrant also. How do you know? You have never appeared after 25?
2025 order.
How do you know? Where, in which court? No further proceeding? In which court? In which court you are talking about? It is not before the present court which has sent this record. It has been sent to JMFC Ridopina for trial. This court has sent, and we have called this record. Whereas in that court, they must have proceeded. You bring that record, we'll quash that record, quash the proceeding in that court.
Tomorrow I'll try your.
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 1 year also, it's up to you, but you have to furnish the correct information. What are you saying? You want the order to be passed to the another court, directing the another court that the case has been set aside. Where it will be pending, the case will be pending before the another court. Created by you only. You did not collect the correct information. Who created? Nobody has created. The order is clear. It was sent. And if you want this record to be called for from the another court, which has already sent to the another court. Do whatever you like, but then don't expect such order to be passed. We believe the Land Council. This order is a wrong order, otherwise, stay order is, isn't it? Because it was already sent to another court. Stay is granted or in the earlier court. Had Mr. A. Bhattacharya, Land Council for the petitioner. Also had Ms. Tijan, Land additional PP for the state staff. The record is called for from the Judicial Magistrate First Class, UPIA, Papumpar UPIA, by says, okay, shows that by an order dated 18/12/2025, the record of the case has already been forwarded to the Court of Land Judicial Magistrate First Class, Srimati Ridopina for trial. Why they have mentioned Ridopina? Doesn't it have the court number 1, 2, Nahalagan, Iranagar? This will also actually clarify. That also will not mention. This Ridopina is a JMFC 1 or 2? No, who is there then? That court is known as JMFC 2.
JMFC
1. And the one which has sent is JMFC 2.
Now we are 18/12/2025.
No, this 18/12/2025 was passed by JMFC.
Yeah,
1 or 2.
The order passed on from JMFC 2 to.
Okay.
JMFC 1.
We will not name the magistrate. Okay, then in that case, it is submitted that by an order dated 8/12/2025, the Judicial Magistrate First Class 2 has forwarded the case record to the Judicial Magistrate First Class 2, the Judicial Magistrate First Class UPIA 1 has forwarded the case record to the Court of Judicial Magistrates First Class 1 for further trial and disposal. In view of the above, let the record be called for from the JMFC 1. Okay?
Thank you, Lordship. Otherwise, if the record of the court along with all the order sheets, Your Lordship,
Only orders, huh?
along with all the order sheets.
Okay, along with all the order sheets. Up to date, okay? List this matter again on 28. 28 is? Okay. It will be a scan copy, huh? Scan copy, okay.
Item number 10.
May I, my lordship? My lordship, I'm on behalf of the petitioners. So as per the direction from this honorable court in the last occasion, the respondent has to consider the representation submitted by the petitioner. The respondent, I mean to say the principal, has issued the transfer certificate, but with the condition that all the petitioners shall submit an undertaking assuring that the outcome, the waiving of the scholarship shall depend on the outcome of this writ petition, as well as the inquiry which is being conducted by the Seneca School Authority, which they have given through this affidavit in opposition. My lordship, if you permit me, I would like to read two relevant paragraphs.
Certificate already issued.
Yes, my
What
lordship.
more grievance you have now then?
Now, the grievance is the waiving of the scholarship amount. So in the para 2,
No, in the order, interim order 10/6/2026,
yes,
you were also directed that the petitioners had deposit before the concerned authority
yes, yeah.
a sum of rupees so and so,
Yes,
4 lakhs each,
yes, sir.
stated to have been, each stated to have been received by the petitioner or their respective wards. You were directed to deposit. Why you did not deposit?
My lordship, we have submitted this representation earlier.
Already
Consider-
directed.
Yes, yeah.
There is already direction was given.
My lordship, but we also requested them to consider, since it was already pending, the as far this thing.
Now see, the court has already decided and directed you.
Yes, your
It is up to them only whether to consider or not, unless you challenge this.
since since the inquiry is still pending in the as far this thing.
No, what I'm saying
Yes, my lord.
is so far as your grievance
Yes,
before this court,
yes,
it appears has already been redressed because certificate issued.
yes, my lordship.
And then by this interim order,
Yes.
you were directed to pay this amount. And then the school was directed thereafter to issue certificate. Certificate issued,
Yes, my lordship.
you should have actually deposit this amount.
My lordship, but in affidavit in opposition, they have replied that this waiving of the scholarship amount is being considered. They have not actually asked for it. They are still considering it. And
That is why I'm saying,
yes, yeah.
whether to consider or not,
Yes,
the court says, already directed you to deposit
Yes,
the amount. It is up to them whether consider or not.
yes. So
And so far as this court is concerned,
yes,
nothing remains. It is up to them only consider or not.
yes, indeed, my lordship. So basically, that's why my lordship, I would like to pray that kindly order may be passed to to consider the I mean to say representation regarding the waiving
Already
of the
said.
scholarship.
Already said that also.
So that
In view of the consensus thereof, the respondent authorities shall consider and dispose of the aforesaid representation on or before
Yes.
so and so. This is 2/7/2026. That also done. What more?
So in response to that, they have said that that thing is being considered and it is still awaited. So we are just praying to instruct them to do it at the earliest regarding the considering of waiving of the scholarship.
After considering only you have already been given a certificate, issued certificate.
Yes, my lordship.
After considering only certificate was issued.
But yes, my lordship, if you see the paragraph number 2 and 3, 2 and 4,
Oh,
kindly allow me to read it out.
2 and 4 of
2 and 4 of the affidavit in opposition. So in para 2, it has been clearly said, it may be intimated that the school has already forwarded a case to Sainik School Society Ministry of Defence Government of India with regard to considering the waiver of the said scholarship received by cadets post getting the case approved from the school local board administration. However, direction in this regard are awaited. So it is still
which
awaited.
one you are reading? Affidavit in opposition of 1, 2, 3. Para 2.
Para 2.
Para 2. That 7 accept.
Yes. So
Is it the same one?
no, this is the response to our representation regarding.
Oh, I thought you are reading affidavit in opposition.
No. The one which I gave you just now. This is the response from the principal, Sainik School Society. Page 1, para 2. Which clearly says that the waiving of the scholarship is being awaited. So
That is why it depends on them whether to consider or not consider, and they have forwarded whether those the higher authority will consider or not consider. But then so far as this court is concerned, already disposed, already directed.
exactly. So this they may be instructed to do it at the earliest regarding their distinct consideration whether they'll waive it off or not, because it is in their discretion now.
No, how do we direct? Your prayer has been
Moreover,
considered,
yesterday
and what is the father prayer?
and today only we have received the affidavit in opposition from the other council also, opposite council. So we'll just go through it. If any rejoinder is necessary, we'll file it later on, so some time may be given.
You want some more time?
Yes, my lordship.
Otherwise, you see, go through the interim order where you were directed to pay,
Yes, my lordship.
and then accordingly, you were supposed to deposit those amount. And then only after that only, the school was to give you a certificate.
Yes.
The certificate already given, but then it appears that you have not deposited the money.
Yes, my lordship.
And subsequently thereafter also, another order, last order, passed by this court, saying that because on that day you submitted that representation submitted, they are considering.
Yes, my lord.
Then this court directed that to consider within by giving a stipulation time stipulated for that.
Yes.
That also disposed of. Nothing remains, it appears. So if you want some more time, no problem. You think about it,
Yes, my lord.
but it appears nothing remains. The writ petition needs
My
to be
lordship, if
disposed of.
possible, a fixed date may be given.
Mr.
MUA.
Land Council for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr.
Meto, your lordship, appearing on behalf of learned DSGI, Mr.
Learned
M. Kato.
Council appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Kato, Learned DSGI, for the respondents, staff. Mr. Liu submitted submits that he has just received a copy of the affidavit in opposition and prays for some time to go through the step and to respond if required necessary. Staff, prayer allowed, prayer not being objected to by the Learned Council for the respondent is allowed. Staff has prayed for common list this matter after
Your Honor, a fixed date may be given if possible, 23
Okay.
August.
List is matter on, is prayed for, comma, list is matter on
23.
3 August.
Lordship, it's a Sunday. Lordship.
Okay, you want on Sunday? What can we do?
so sorry.
24.
Yeah, 24 of
The
August.
Monday, Lordship.
Okay.
Item number 11.
Deeply obliged.
Ashab.
None appears on behalf of the. Okay. Just a minute, huh? Just a minute. Who appears for the state? What happened thereafter?
Your Lordship,
After obtaining?
after obtaining, he has not been appearing, Your Lordship. Subsequently, we have also got the updated CD wherein it has been revealed that he is already into 3 more cases in different states of Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra, Your Lordship, which has also not been disclosed in his petition, Your Lordship. It seems-
Okay, he is wanted in
Yes,
more cases.
more cases along with the wife which Your Lordship has granted bail, Your Lordship, and the main accused. They're also their entire modus operandi is in the state of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab.
He's a
Madhya
don then.
Pradesh. Yes.
He's
Delhi.
wanted.
And therefore, after getting the bail, Your Lordship, they have not been appearing. Your Lordship.
Okay, it appears. He obtained this bail when?
Uh.
Okay. So,
Your Lordship can otherwise peruse the CD, Your Lordship, and
who
because
was the advocate? Borderline.
was from Assam, Your Lordship.
Never appeared.
Never appeared.
Kind
After
of read
granting
the.
of the interim bail, they have never
Okay,
appeared.
can you just pass one?
Even the CD discloses that after grant of the bail, they had appeared before the IO, Your Lordship. The IO has
He appeared.
he appeared, Your Lordship.
Okay,
And
then.
then IO had asked him to come on the next date along with his bank statement, Your Lordship. However, from the very next day, Your Lordship, when the cooperation was needed, Your Lordship, he has never appeared till.
Anyway, what we can do is one more chance can be given to Learned Council at least.
Your Lordship
Okay.
can observe their absence on the previous occasion also and now also, and can fix the matter on any other date, Your Lordship. Their absence may be reflected in the order, Your Lordship.
Okay. So he appeared, did not appear in the, before the court also.
Yes.
So what
Only
to
on
do?
if Your Lordship is if Your Lordship thinks that one more chance can be given, Your Lordship, I don't have a.
No,
that,
just
Lordship.
it appears that he is not appearing.
Yes, he's not.
The last occasion also, he remained absent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And then prior to that also, he throw somebody.
Yes.
No, he pray for adjournment.
That also was that at that point of time also the CD was received, Your Lordship. We were not informed that the time will be taken for. Otherwise, Your Lordship can peruse the CD, Your Lordship. There is prima facie case against
Okay.
him.
What is that?
Your Lordship will.
This is offense is under.
The offences are under cheating, 3192, cheating by personating, cheating and dishonesty, Your Lordship, forgery,
Okay.
use of forgery documents, Your Lordship, habitually dealing in the receiving stolen property, concealment, criminal conspiracy, cheating by personification, Your Lordship.
Okay. Yes. And none appears on behalf of the petitioner on call staff. The record reveals that after obtaining interim anticipatory bail on 5/6/2026, the petitioner sought for adjournment on 12/6/2026. And 17/6/2026, and on 26/6/2027, the petitioner remain absent. The petitioner remain unrepresented, and today on call. No one appears on behalf of the petitioner staff. However, Ms. Tijini Ranaka PP, Lana additional PP for the state. He is present. And some is that in the earlier three occasion also, the case study was produced. However,
Also, Your Lordship, that they have not, my submission may be recorded, that they are not cooperating with the investigation.
okay. Staff, in view of the above, this court deem it appropriate to peruse the case study. Okay. On perusal of the case study, it appears that the case study reflects that
I'll just produce a case.
that after obtaining the interim anticipatory bail, the accused
We didn't understand.
is not neither appearing before the eye of the case nor cooperating with the investigation of the case. The record further reveals that whether has he stated in his petition that he is not involved in any
Yes,
other.
at page number 9, paragraph 13, Your Lordship.
Hmm. The learned additional PP pointed out that the petitioner has obtained interim anticipatory bail, stating that the petitioner has never committed any offense till date, and there is no any previous bad record against him in any police station. However, the record reveals that the petitioner is where
Your Lordship, the second
Yellow.
CD, yellow.
Okay.
Oh, no. The other bunch, the
investigation.
other bunch, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
The other bunch, other bunch of the CD, Your Lordship. There's a small
Okay.
bunch.
The
From serial number, in the column,
record
from
is
serial
collected
number
by
1.
the IO of the case reveals that
Uh,
the accused is also involved in where
Second, Your Lordship, column number, second page, column number 1, in column number, serial number 1, 2, 3, Your Lordship.
okay, is involved in
That is through the portal of all the police of the police station of the country, Your Lordship. The
serial number 1, 2, 3.
Yes, the name of the accused is shown Abdul Zalil, Your Lordship.
He is involved in 3 cases,
3 cases, Your Lordship.
3 other cases registered against him, other cases in Gujarat, Kerala, and Maharashtra registered against him. And some is that the petitioner has concealed the material fact and obtained illegally obtained the interim anticipatory bail. Stop. Back. In view of the above. And peruse and consider the records, peruse the records and consider the submission. Stop. Tara. Okay, in view of the above records. The record further the record further reveals that there is a prima facie case against the accused for commission of the Ali's offense. Stop. In view of the above, this court is of the opinion that the accused is not entitled to be extended the benefit of the privilege of the pre-arrest bail. Stop. Accordingly, the interim anticipatory bail granted to the accused on 5/6/2026 is hereby cancelled. Record and cancel. Stop. As a result, the IO of the case may take steps for arrest of the accused if so advised. Okay. With the above, this anticipated bail stands rejected. Okay. Dispose of.
Item number 12 and 13.
This bail application. Okay.
May I please lodge?
Yes.
This is anticipatory bail. Joseph, in connection with SCB PS case number 4 of 26 under section 120B, 409, 420, 467, 471 IPC, read with section 13(2) of BC Act, Joseph. Joseph,
Just a minute. Keep that record for some time. Record for some time for correction because number need to be noted. See. Yes, this is
Yes.
you are protected by the interim. No.
no, Lordship. On that day, my Lordship was not inclined to grant interim, but in fact, CD was called for.
Okay.
Lordship, here,
Just a minute. The offense involved is
offense involved
120/409.
the criminal conspiracy.
Okay. So let us see the
409.
content. Let us see the content of the FIR.
Yes.
What was that?
Yes, Lordship. I take you to the FIR is at Lordship, the complaint page 21.
Page 21.
Yes, 21. What happened, Lordship? The one Osam Jongsam, BJP Mandal President of 53 Changlang North, and 7 others filed a complaint before the Deputy Commissioner, alleging gross irregularities and negligence in the implementation of 2 PMGSY road laws at Changlang district. Accordingly, that complaint was forwarded before the Deputy Secretary, forwarded by the Deputy Secretary for preliminary inquiry before the SCB, Anti-Corruption Bureau Department. And accordingly, on the basis of that or the forwarding, the preliminary inquiry was conducted, carried out by the SCB Lordship. Thereafter, that report was submitted before the competent authority by saying that the matter was plead case for registration of FIR in order to initiate detailed investigation and unearth the specific role of engineers, officers in the Changlang in irregularities observed during execution of both project conclusion, prima facie against the allegations made out in complaint to be true. Accordingly, the order was issued for registration of regularities. Accordingly, this ACB case was registered.
Hmm.
May I take it to the complaint, Lordship? Page 21.
Who is, or who are you otherwise?
I'm Lordship, I'm a mere Lordship, KCR in charge in that point of time, KCR Lordship. Now I have already been retired from the department. I was Lordship initially appointed as casual worker.
Hmm.
Thereafter, my job was regularized, and the main regular cashier has been transferred, retired from the supervision from the department. So accordingly, by order 16/8/2020, I was given the charge of cashier in charge also. Thereafter, by order dated 31 January 2026.
What is the allegation against you? Specific, is there any specific allegation against you?
No, Lordship, nothing. There is no role at all, even in the entire preliminary inquiry also, Lordship.
Your name is not there.
Not there. On
And then the complaint, in the complaint, your name is there.
complaint also nothing, Lordship.
Nothing there. Why you are seeking then?
Only Lordship.
Whether the police has made an effort to arrest you?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship,
What is the ground for apprehension?
in Lordship preliminary inquiry report,
Hmm.
the police has given the name of the officers and officials
Hmm.
who are found to be involved. But no specific allegation what role I have been played.
When this preliminary inquiry was, or the case was registered?
This was Lordship registered on. It was order was issued on 13/5/2026.
Okay,
And case was registered on 14 Lordship.
14,
Lordship 1995,
1905.
just after 4 days.
Okay, but anyone arrested in connection with
No,
this
Lord,
case?
no, Lord. In fact,
Who are the main accused?
main accused Lordship,
My lord will find it page 32, ma'am.
Okay, 32 of?
The petition.
my application, Lord.
Okay,
Page 32, the column, my lord. Column G.
hmm.
There are total 6 persons, my lord.
None of them have been arrested.
None of them has been arrested as of now, my lord. My lord, the,
And any one of them have applied for the bail?
yes,
pre-arrest
my
bail?
lord. As per my information, my lord, the executive engineer
Huh.
who stands at serial numbers 1, my lord,
Huh.
he has filed a bail application before the honorable principal bench during the vacation bench.
Okay,
And it has been informed that the interim protection has been given to him.
do you have the copy?
Yes, Lord. May I read Lordship, one para number 4, Lordship, page number 2. Para 4, Lord.
Hmm.
Mr. So-and-so, London Senior Counsel for the accused applicant, submitted aforesaid 2 projects are, in fact, in the verge of completion. And almost 85% of the works have already been completed. He submits that the accused applicant is presently working as the executive engineer of the concerned department, and he is executing his job responsibly as expected. He further submitted the complainant that has been filed with the allegation do not constitute any of the offenses that has been mentioned in the FIR. He further submits that there is no allegation of any corruption or illegal gratification received by the accused applicant in the instant case to invoke the Prevention of Corruption Act in the instant case. He further submitted so-called notice have been issued to both the contractor, Lordship, or their delay in completing the contract work, and in terms of the said so-called notices, one of the contractors involved in the said aforesaid 2 project has already replied to the so-called notice by giving an undertaking that the concerned work shall be completed by September of this year. He further submitted the other contractor involved, since has not replied to so-called notice. The accused applicant, who is working presently as executive engineer, is in the department, has already written a letter seeking approval from the higher authorities to terminate the contract of the concerned contractor on 25/8/2025. He submits that actions have already been taken against the defaulting contractors. Therefore, he submitted as the accused applicant is a government servant, and since an FIR has been lodged, he is seriously apprehending his arrest, and therefore he should be protected at this. Now, this federal lawsuit shows court is still under progress. So since I have already been retired from the department, so I am not aware whether what is the actual stage of the work.
So under the circumstances, what is your submission then?
Malab, basically, there are two projects, Malab. Malab, the basic allegation in the complaint is that, Malab, the work pertains to 2018 and 2019, Malab. Now, the work was incomplete, and it has been substantially admitted by the petitioners, Malab. As in the order itself, it says 85% has been completed. Malab. But the basic question here is that the funds have been released, Malab. Despite the fact,
But whether this present petitioner does have any role to play in that?
as far as
Because he is not authority.
probably,
As per the direction only he will release, because he is only the disbursement,
my lord, my lord.
not the, no power to pass any order.
To an extent,
Sign.
yes, as far as this present petitioner is concerned,
Hmm.
to an extent, because he is not a field officer.
He is not authority.
Yes, that
So-
can be appreciated, my lord.
Can be protected?
My
Can
lord.
be protected?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because the main accused, it appears,
Okay.
has been already protected.
Yes.
Okay.
And the other one, my lord, he's an engineer, my lord. He's a junior engineer. The basic allegation is same, my lord. Two projects, my lord. Money has been released, but then the project was not completed, my lord. But as far as the order is concerned, they have admitted that 80% has not been completed, and they will be completing the work by September, my lord.
Okay, after first accept
Probably,
the money.
my lord. Ultimately, if the work is done,
Is this the trend which is being followed?
this should not be the one, but then
Ah.
if you see the public interest, my lord. So ultimately, what suffers is the public who suffers, my lord. The
And what about this, then, another engineer? What is your submission on that?
engineer, as far as my instruction, my lord, he was there when the earlier, in the initial, when the DPR was, because it is started from 2018, my lord.
Hmm.
In 2021, he's transferred out, my lord. So his part has been done, my lord. Out of that 85%, his part has been done, my lord. But since it is a culmination of all those officers, my lord, and during the preliminary inquiry, my lord, so his name also comes in, my lord. So I think he can also be equally
Why,
protected,
why,
my lord.
why? Because if the money has already been released, they are not entitled actually,
My lord.
the engineers especially.
engineer.
But this person who doesn't have any power or authority to control over the money.
As far as the other petitioner is concerned, my lord, the
Hmm.
DE, my lord, it seems, my lord, well, he was there, my lord. Certain constructions was there, my lord, and because it is a running bill, my lord, the bills were released, my lord.
No, but then
For the
it should
work
not be
that-
released more than what the work is.
Thereafter, he was transferred to a different place, my lord. Now he's not working there, my lord.
Hmm.
He's been transferred to Animi,
Maybe, wherever he may go.
my lord.
He
My
has,
I'm ready to clarify on that part, my lord.
you are for?
I'm for my lord engineer,
Item
this
13, my lord.
item 13. J,
For JE.
yes, out of the same PS case and the same
Ah.
allegation. Here, my lord, my role was that, my lord, I was there up to 17/8/2021. And before releasing that,
When the money was released?
my lord, I'm ready to clarify the, my lord. I was there at the site till 17/8/2021.
Hmm.
And to that, when I was there, till that I have, my lord, handed over to the, my lord, this accused number 5. He is my successor, my lord. Therefore, my lord, my contention in this case is that this is the complaint of 2025. Though the FIR has been in my name, my lord, as per the
Your name is
verification,
in which serial?
my lord,
In page
page number
39?
34, my lord. Kindly say the 34, my lord.
Serial number 4, my lord.
Type, I am in serial number 4. Type copy, my lord, just for visible, my lord. I have type copy, type out the entire report, my lord, verification report.
When the money, the chunk, this money was released?
No, money, my lord, it's a running bill. my
Running
lord.
bill.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Running bill, and my lord, this may be kindly noted that this running bill, my lord, the first, second, and third, up to third running bill, I was there, my lord. And to that extent, my lord,
my submission is that to the running bill, my lord, out of the 7 crore, my lord, 2 crore was, my lord, released. And 5 crores was left while I was left in, my lord, this statement. This may be kindly, my lord, noted. And one thing, my lord, as per the investigation or inspection report, my lord, report said that during the inspection, it has been observed that there is no CC drain. There was no CC drain. And
So
work was
what we
not
can do-
completed. Therefore, my lord, I have filed the affidavit, additional affidavit, my lord, showing that because after the, my lord, after filing this first, this anticipatory bail, again, my lord, I went to the place, and thereby, my lord, I myself cleaned the jungle, and thereby, my lord, may kindly come to
Clean the jungle, what jungle?
clean the jungle which is covered by the bush. The work was executed in 2019, my lord. lord,
Okay, so it was not in existence,
That is existing, my lord. It's still existing, my lord.
but then you had to clean
My,
to show that it was you who have done that.
my lord,
Otherwise, it was not
yeah,
existence.
my lord, till that I was already transferred. Now, my lord,
So you wanted to find out that during your tenure, it was constructed where it has
it
gone.
was fully constructed
So
and
you
it's still here.
found it out.
It's still there, but the inspection team could not find it out on the ground that it was
Oh,
covered by the
you
bush,
figured
my
it out. You found it out, at least.
my lord. So, my lord, this I'm coming with the record, my lord, and
Oh.
I have kept the record.
The road is to be actually searched where it is.
No, my lord, this is pertaining to the drain, my lord.
Drain.
Otherwise, the road is there, my lord.
Okay.
That I have taken the photographs because these photographs, my lord, having the latitude and longitude with the date of 2020, my lord. Therefore, the work what has been executed during my time, my lord, I keep in record, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I am coming with this.
Now
additional
the
affidavit,
submission,
my lord.
the submission of the executive engineer gone then. He is the one who found out this work done there.
As far as the,
He cleaned himself
yes, there is one
because
instance
he
in the-
probably has done something and wanted to find out where it is. Now the submission of the engineer actually is gone. His bail should be cancelled.
My lord, may kindly come to page number 51. Parsimol 51, my lord.
Oh, 51.
My lord.
Hmm.
This is the, my lord,
Name of the work.
handing and taking over.
Hmm?
This is the handing
Okay.
and taking over which was took place in, my lord, 15 July 2021 before I left. And here in the, my lord, this is out of the two main, this allegation is pertaining to the two work, my lord,
Mhm.
1 and 2. So in the second, my lord, in the last, my lord will find a physical work pending. So far, my lord, the handing and taking was done. Physical work was pending, my lord, find it in the bottom, my lord.
Hmm.
Below the, just above the tree, name of the work tree, my lord.
Hmm.
As per finance, my lord, there were 7 crore 55 lakhs. And out of that, till the works, 2 lakhs, 2 crore 26 lakhs was paid, and remaining 5 lakhs, 5 crore 28 lakhs was, and yes, 5 crore 28 lakhs were remain, my lord. That is the status, my lord, when I was handing and taking over, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, my submission is that even I could not pay all the work executed by the contractor just for the security purpose. And all the payments were made, my lord, after conducting the, my lord, test check. And this test check was also conducted in presence of the, my lord, state, my lord, quality monitoring, my lord. And now, my lord, may kindly come to page number 54. This handing and taking is, my lord, witnesses by the assistant engineer. Page number 54, my lord. This person is also in, I think he is in the accused number 3. And thereafter,
Which one is a case number 3?
page number 54, my lord.
54, which one?
My lord, 54 is the continuation of the handing and taking over. And this taken over by the, my lord, one junior engineer is in the, appear in the serial number 5, accused number 5. Therefore, my submission
Sanju
is,
Gedi.
my lord, therefore, my submission is that till I left the work, my lord, I have paid and accordingly works were executed. And now I am to demonstrate this honorable court. If my lord come to page number 59,
Okay, anyway, so what is there?
these are the, my lord, photographs which were taken in, my lord, 2020, my lord. This is the work executed and is still there, my lord.
And
As it is.
now,
Now,
where is the latest photo? This was in 2020.
my lord, 2020 and 21, during the time when I was there, my lord. And I'll take the lordship, the latest photo, my lord, in the same area. In page number, it is start from page number 76, my lord.
74.
My lord will find in the page number 76, my lord. These are the drainage, my lord. These drainage were constructed in the years 2019 and 20, and now this is presently under the cover of the bush. And here, as per the information and this verification team has not find out, my lord, saying that there is no drainage, my lord. Whereas my submission is that still the drainage is there, and this photograph, this is recently taken on, my lord, 1st of this month.
So it was lost. You found it.
My lord, is still there, my lord. Therefore, my lord, the so far the allegation is, my lord, I was there up to the running wheel number 3, my lord. And thereafter, the subsequent running bill up to 6, my lord. And that was after 2021. And these
Okay.
are still existing, my lord.
Okay,
Therefore,
let
my
us
lord,
see.
I am
The
right.
first item number. 12. Okay. Had Mr. K. Lolen, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also had Mr. Opada, Learned Standing Counsel for ACB, staff car. The petitioner filed this application under section 482 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, seeking grant of pre-arrest bail, apprehending his arrest in connection with ACB PS case number 04/2026 under section 120B, 409, 420, 467, 471 of the Indian Penal Code, related with section 13(2) of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Stop. Paras. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submitted the petitioner was working as serving as cashier in charge during the relevant period in the office of
Establishment of each
under the establishment of executive engineer Changlang. Which department? Executive engineer PW RWD Changlang. Stop. Huh? Where have you stated that you have no role to play?
there are 7 words.
However, now the petitioner is retired on superannuation. On retire on when? 31/1/2026 on superannuation. Stop. Huh? It is submitted that the accused applicant was discharging a duty of cashier in charge in the WRD. It's a WRD, not RWD.
RW.
Hmm?
W.
It's WRD only. WRD division Changlang on internal arrangement
RW.
due to non-posting of regular cashier in the division, Changlang. Since 16/8/2020
Yeah.
till his retirement.
Yeah.
Stop.
That's it.
Stop. Where have you stated that you have no role?
Lordship.
This is your period.
Yes. Lordship.
The Land Council for Petitioner
There are
submits
9 also, Lordship.
that
Have you
He-
specified my role and responsibilities?
the applicant is nowhere connected with the connected in the present case, with the present case, as he was only discharging the duty of cashier in charge. Whose role was only to, whose role and responsibility was to manage the daily physical and digital case transaction, maintain public funds, public funds, and handle treasury books under the strict guidance of the Central Public Work Account within bracket CPWA bracket close code. Stop. And he further submits that the applicant has no role in work execution of the and non-completion of the project, preparation of measurement book within bracket MB bracket close, and preparation of bills and signing of check. Stop. Huh? The bills, the checks, if any, were issued to the contractor on the basis of approval made by the authority, approved by the concerned authority. Stop. he neither issued any check to contractor he has never issued any check to the contractor without approval from the competent authority, nor any check was issued beyond the approved bills to the contractor. Stop. The Land Council for the petitioner further submits that in the similar application, the main accused, alleged accused, has already been granted interim anticipated bail, and therefore pray for a parity. Stop. He further submits that the accused applicant is ready to cooperate and abide by any terms and conditions to be imposed for his bail. Stop. That the learned special PP ACB fairly submits that the role of the cashier. Okay. The role of the cashier is limited to the dealing with the issuance, dealing with the maintenance of the account. Management of the daily physical and digital cash transaction, and maintenance of the public funds, and handle treasury books under the strict guidance of the Central Public Work Account Code. And he has limited role on work execution. He has no role on execution of work and completion or non-completion of, or on preparation of the measurement book and bill and signing the bill of check, etc. Stop a para. In,
The role is given in the CD,
okay. CD.
Yes,
Which one?
I played it,
Okay.
Present. Page 5,
Mhm.
Page 5 of 6. There are two,
Okay.
Role of various elect engineers.
Nirmal.
Nirmal, Para number 2.
Oh, he was a divisional accountant.
In charge, yes, cashier in charge.
No, cashier in charge and divisional accountant is different.
Public. So the then divisional
Cashier is different. He is
accountant,
a divisional accountant.
public cashier in charge of the article. Posted as divisional accountant during his tenure.
Okay, then role, just role, change the role, some stats. The role of the accused applicant as a divisional accountant, cashier in charge, of, again, here this says that RWD.
It is RWD,
RWD.
Yes.
Why? It is in the WRD again.
That is probably a typographical mistake. Yes, sir.
Make it RWD only, then. the role of the accused applicant as a divisional accountant stroke cashier in charge. During his tenure was to prepare the bill against the project work, which was in however, however, the bills have been manipulated by the, no, manipulated. There is a manipulation allegation.
There is suspicion that the bills might have been manipulated by the then division.
Okay, however, there is a suspicion. Okay. That the petitioner has manipulated. Oh, earlier one, huh? And then only in the last says that, however, he submits that as per the case study, there is a suspicion that the bill might have been manipulated by the petitioner. Okay, I think that. Stop. Kara. What to do? Dispose of?
Yeah, it can be disposed of, madam.
Okay. Upon perusal of the records and on consideration of the submission made by the counsel for the parties, this court, and also considering that the accused applicant has a limited role and now he is a retired accountant, a divisional accountant come cashier. And also considering that he's considering this court is of the opinion that under the circumstances, the custodial remand of interrogation of the is he cooperate? No, he's not yet appeared. Okay. Custodial interrogation of the. Now, what we'll do, we'll only direct that you apply the regular bail before the competent court. We'll grant till then. Till then, we'll grant, but they will apply a regular bail before the competent court. Till then, we'll grant, protect.
Competent court would be the
Special court.
Till that time.
Yeah, till then we'll protect.
It can also be done, but whether that will be possible or not, because
The
death of that can be that we are perfectly the alia.
then in that case, it will not be disposed of. We'll say then, we'll just direct to appear before the IO. Okay, if IO finds something else, then let us see. Okay. Accordingly, okay. Then in that case, as the investigation is at the initial stage, no, I think it has to be disposed of because the CD is already there.
the CD has been taken. It's a
Okay.
big case, my lord. I think Madam can interfere, my lord, because
Okay.
the findings already been given by this honorable court.
Okay. The prayer for the applicant, the petitioner can be protected by extended the privilege of the interim anticipatory bail. Stop. Accordingly, this application is allowed. Stop. It is provided that in the event of the arrest of the accused applicant, he shall be released on released on bail on execution of a bail bond of rupees 1 lakh with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, with the subject to the condition that one, that he shall appear before the IO of the case within 10 days from today. Next, that he shall cooperate the investigation of the case and appear before the IO of the case as and when called for. Stop. Next, that he shall not directly or indirectly induce threat to the evidence, to the witness or evidence of witness of the case in case, and that he shall not hamper or tamper with the evidence of the case in any manner. Stuff. Next, that the petitioner shall not leave the where he is staying. Okay, the state of Arunachal Pradesh without prior information to the IO of the case. Okay, with the above this. Bail application stands disposed of. Okay.
But
However, it is made clear that in the event of the violation of any of the above conditions, the interim anticipatory, the anticipatory bail granted to the accused shall be liable to be cancelled.
okay, okay.
No, you apply there then. Oh. And in your case, it will be 2 lakhs. You are engineer.
Well,
Same, but 2 lakhs. Okay.
Like amount.
like same amount, my lord.
No. 2 lakhs.
This rich man. is
Rich
doing
man.
engineering.
At least 1.5.
I thought of making 5, but since I made him 1 lakh to the account, he is also equally, of course, the equally rich man. But then, since you are engineer,
Lordship, I am praying.
I thought of 5 lakhs.
I'm just junior engineer.
Actually, I was not inclined also, but then only because there is a protection given to the another. Only that I was not inclined at all, because these are the case where due to which the state is not progressing. I am not inclined. Otherwise, if you press for, I'll have to rethink. It depends on the person. Okay.
The CD maybe.
Okay, return the CD. Huh?
Item number 14.
This is in second one.
Lordship has earlier stated that this matter was listed yesterday, but due to some medical difficulties, my senior counsel couldn't appear the matter.
Okay.
For that, I have to file this IA for adjournment.
Item number 15.
My lordship. Lordship, last opportunity was given, lordship, to the applicant, lordships. Last opportunity was given to the applicant to pay the decretal amount, lordships. This honorable court, lordship, by order dated.
Pay what amount?
Decretal amount, lordship. Lordship may kindly peruse the last order, Lordship, 0307/2026.
Mm-hmm. What is this order? Civil revision.
Yes, Lordship. Execution petitions, Lordship, civil warrant was stayed by this honorable court, Lordships, on the condition that, on the assurance by the applicant, Lordship, to pay the digital amount, Lordships.
Okay.
Only that term on the condition, Lordships, this honorable court grant the interim order.
Okay. What is your terms?
Lordship, the interim order passed was for the stay of the execution petition. But our prayer was to stay the execution of the civil
Warrant.
And Lordship, this is a civil revision on execution petition filed by the respondent. Wherein Lordship, I got they filed the execution petition under section 51 CPC. So Lordship, section
Respondent file.
states the execution powers of the court to execute and for execution. And there are different means of execution of the.
See, what are you submitting? Have you seen the page 20, order dated 24/4/2026? Having considered that the petitioner is ready to pay, the decretal amount till the returnable date, the order dated so and so, passed by the learned judicial, the civil judge, shall not be given effect to. Then thereafter it was extended, unless you challenge this.
Our submission is that the order passed by the execution court, right, order number 9/4/26. It's not justifiable. This was Lordship.
Okay, that is why you have challenged.
Lordship. They have already annexed.
Oh, no, not on that, Land Council, not on that. After that, being agreed by that, only you have come before this court, challenging that order, isn't it? So in that order, in that petition, the order was passed by this court on 24/4/2026. It was on your admission only, on your submission only, you were given opportunity time.
Yes.
That you will deposit.
Yes.
And unless this order passed on 24/4/2026, what order or further order can be passed? And that was reiterated by order dated 3/7/2026.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, upon this court's order, we have taken amount of 5 lakhs. I'll check number 473,660.
You have received?
No instruction, Lordship. No
No, you
instruction.
could have obtained instruction.
Lordship, I instructed by my client, still no amount is received, Lordship. Check, that is just a deposit amount, Lordship. Deposit, whether that is 5 lakhs, Lordship. The greater amount is 91 lakhs, Lordship. How 5 lakhs can be justified?
Oh.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, we need to pay the rest of the amount.
Don't, okay, if you are willing, why you are here then? Pay it. Not, there will be no case.
Yes.
This shows our intent that taking life. Also, we are just seeking that.
See, you know,
Trying to point your execution out.
we appreciate your intention, but then your intention should not be this way, because you took and you have undertaken that it will be paid. So you are supposed to pay. The court and the respondent expected that you pay. If you have not paid, the law will take its own course.
Also, these are the fair. Still in the court, they have annexed our properties, 2 vehicles, 70 total of land. That shows that there are other ways of executing this. That also, we are willing to appear before the execution court whenever required and follow the instruction of the court. But because of this form of time, we have to Yeah, declaring letters in payment of the liquid amount, right? We buy a person and sell it, by liquidifying other properties. But for that, we'll have to make some time and decide that in the time of execution.
Lordship, our case is not on that, Lordships.
So in the last occasion, also you took 2 weeks time.
Yes, Lordship. Our case is, Lordship, executing court has the power to issue a civil warrant, Lordship.
I think that is the option it appears.
Yes, Lordship. In case of, Lordship, violations of the notice issued by the executing court, Lordship.
Lordship can permanent. Or issuing an order of civil warrant, there has to first be an application by the victim holder stating the reason why it's.
That is why you have filed this. And here in this application only you have undertaken that you will pay the decretal amount till the returnable date. You did not pay, and thereafter also you took another time. So it was objected, but then this court was inclined to grant further time. You were granted. Thereafter also you are not doing. What is the option left with the court? You tell the court what option is left. What order can be passed by this court? Because you have undertaken repeatedly, and then repeatedly if you fail, what option the court has? Oh, learned counsel, try to understand, try and understand. There is an order, unless you challenge this. The order accepted by you, undertaken by you, unless you challenge this. Why you are repeatedly going there? In that petition only this order was passed on your admission, on your submission. Unless this is challenged, we have to go by. So what to do? So you pay, you have to pay. And then since what we can do today, we cannot leave the case without passing any order. So time is also over. But then since they have already deposited some amount, you have no instruction. You obtain instruction.
Only, Lordship, this amount is 5 lakhs, Lordship.
Maybe,
Yes.
maybe 5 lakhs also. But then he is also struggling. We should also appreciate. So what can we do if he has nothing, no money? Where from he can? And the ultimate.
Yes, Lordship.
But then I have to tell you that even if you civil warrant is also executed, also you have to pay again. So that you will be a loser here either way. So that is why
Lordship,
you have to
civil
pay.
warrant is issued, Lordship.
No, not this
Civil warrant is impugn civil
already issued.
issue. No, Lordship. This is issue on the violations of the notice given by the executing court, Lordship. Not as per section, as per order 21, rule 37, subclause 2, Lordship. This order is issued, Lordship. Civil warrant is issued.
Okay.
His claim is subsistence allowance should be passed while issuing the civil warrant. This is the case in
Now
case of
we have to pass order only.
if appear before
Just a
the
minute.
he appear
Okay,
before
okay.
the court executing.
What we'll do is finally this will be the order will be passed. But then today what we can do is, since he has deposited at least some amount, some 1 week time can be given.
Yes.
1 more week. No? And you, in the meantime, you obtain instruction whether he has really deposited or this amount or not. It's not negotiation between you and me. No, see, no way. You try to convince the court. No.
Because it is an execution court. The doctor is bound to the.
That is why I'm saying you have no option. Okay, land council, you have given enough of time. Thereafter, only this stage has come. This is last resort. We know at what stage this comes. You have troubled the person enough, and after that, only this stage comes. I know. That is why I'm saying.
Civil warrant was issued on the second day after directly. Only upon directly.
Maybe. But then you have trouble a lot.
We have not solved any
Do you think that you have not trouble enough? Hmm. No. What opportunity? What opportunity? Do you have any other option other than repayment? So, okay, Mr. Hey, Government Council for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
G1 proxy.
Government Council. Earlier you appeared.
Earlier, last occasion's lordship, I appeared lordship on 3rd lordship, 3rd September, 3rd July. 2020.
Okay, Mr. Bam, Government Council appearing on behalf of the respondent. Staff, Mr. Gamle Sami said the petitioner to show, in order to show his bona fide, has deposited a sum of rupees 5 lakhs on 18/7/2026. Mr. Bam, 26, and the rest of the amount will be deposited within a week. Within 2 weeks. Okay. Oh, Lana Council. Within 2 weeks. And therefore he prays that he may be granted for the 2 weeks time to satisfy the decretal amount. Stop. Mr. G. Bam, Lana Council for the petitioner submitted. He has no information regarding the deposition of 5 lakhs. And submitted, he may also be granted some time to obtain instruction in this regard. Stuff. In view of the above, and as prayed for by the Lana Council for the petitioner, stuff, further 2 weeks time is granted.
Lordship, each date may be given after 2 weeks, Lordship, so that matter can come.
To pay and satisfy the entire decretal amount to the respondent staff. Let's pray for Kama. List this matter again on when? August 3rd.
3rd is Monday, Lordship.
3rd. Okay.
After 2 weeks.
August 3rd. 3 August, 3/8. Till then, the interim order passed earlier shall continue. Okay. What is this?
But number 16.
But not, number 16, there is a time constraint. May I pray that we had a discussion. Can it be taken up tomorrow? And
What-
then since the.
What is this about?
This is,
CRP, my lord.
yes,
Revision.
maintainability shall be are good. So.
Is in the order stage.
Yes, my lord. TCR was called for, my lord. TCR received, my lord.
Okay, then
Can it be taken up tomorrow in the admission column? Since admissibility will be taken up.
hard, Mr. Who are you?
And
Mr.
for the respondent. Madam.
I'm for,
Ginny, you are for the, okay, hard message.
I'm for the petitioner, my lord.
Okay. Direct counsel for the petitioner, also had Mr. T. Partin, direct counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent staff. Okay. Since the parties are present and the trial court record has also been received, the matter. Admitted. Okay, okay,
Admissibility
let
should be
this
argued
matter
tomorrow.
be listed.
Admission hearing, my lord.
Admission,
Let it
in
for-
the admission,
admission
Tomorrow, I think
column.
there is election matter is also there. No, not this week.
As per your, my lord, I don't have any objection.
No,
because
not
of
this week, because this week, before vacation, all matter, important matter was fixed for this week only. So that is that this week, we have a lot of fixed matter, including election petition in the tomorrow also.
Only the question of admissibility, because it is a petition under
Next week,
227.
next week.
Let be on Friday, my lord.
My lord,
No, Friday, all,
my lord, next week,
it will be
Wednesday, my lord, this will fine. Not on hearing day, Wednesday, next week, my lord.
yes, it will be difficult Friday, because Friday, immediately Friday, for in the going to Aizol, you have to leave on Saturday only. It takes 2 days to go to Aizol.
Yes,
So it's difficult. Friday will be difficult. Friday also already fixed 8 or 9 meters. 9 meters already fixed. So this week totally is full.
Next week, Wednesday.
Okay.
My lord, in that case, next week,
And
Wednesday, my lord.
This is matter. On next week, Wednesday would be 29, huh? For admission. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
Okay. Till then, my lord, the earlier entry may continue, my lord.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till then.
Yes, obliged.
There is interim.
Yes, my lord, no third party right should be, my lord,
Okay.
created.
The interim order, if any, it shall continue till then.
Okay.
Yeah.
59 number, or